What if I told you that your memories are fake? That the silence in space is actually a warning, and that your brain is actively deleting reality right now just to keep you sane? We live in a filtered world. Today, we look at what hides behind that filter. Here are 7 unsettling facts that change how you see reality. Number 1 will make you question if you are alone in this room. Let's start with a fear you didn't know you had. Why are humans afraid of things that look human but aren't quite right, like dolls or hyper-realistic robots? This is called the uncanny valley. Evolutionary psychology suggests that fear is a survival mechanism. Usually, we fear fire because it burns. So, why do we have a specific instinct to fear almost human faces? It implies that at some point in human history, we had a predator that looked like us, but wasn't us, and we learned to run. Have you ever stared at yourself in the mirror for too long? If you do it in a dimly lit room for 10 minutes, something terrifying happens. Your face starts to melt. Your eyes turn black. You might see a monster replacing your reflection. This is the Troxler effect. Your brain prioritizes movement. When you stare at a static object, your neurons stop firing. Your brain gets bored and fills the gaps with hallucinations. Your reflection isn't haunted. Your brain is just lying to you. We know more about the surface of Mars than the bottom of our own ocean. In 1958, NASA began exploring the deep sea. But abruptly, they stopped and turned their full attention to space. Why the sudden switch? Conspiracy theorists ask, what did they find down there? With 80% of the ocean unmapped, giant creatures were myths until recently. What else is hiding in the dark, waiting for us to look down? You are standing on a high cliff. You are safe. But suddenly, a voice in your head says, "Jump." You recoil in fear. Why would you think that? The French call it l'appel du vide, the call of the void. Psychologists say it's a misinterpretation of a safety signal. But for a split second, the urge feels real. Is it just biology, or is something pulling you? Think about your earliest childhood memory. Is it clear? Science says it's fake. Every time you access a memory, you are not playing back a video file. You are reconstructing it. You are rewriting the file, so you are not remembering the event. You are remembering the last time you remembered it. Like a photocopy of a photocopy, eventually the image distorts. Most of your past is a fiction written by your present self. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. Statistically, the galaxy should be crowded with life. But when we listen, there is only silence. This is the Fermi paradox. And the scary part is the dark forest theory. It suggests the universe is full of life, but everyone is staying quiet because there is a super predator out there hunting anyone who makes noise. And we have been broadcasting signals for 100 years. We are the loud kid in a forest full of wolves. And finally, the most disturbing fact. Neuroscience estimates that your brain filters out about 90% of raw sensory data to prevent you from going insane. It builds a simplified model of the world for you. That means right now, in the room with you, things could be happening that your brain has simply decided to delete from your vision. Are you sure you're alone? Or is your brain just protecting you from what's standing in the corner? The world is quiet, but the details are loud if you know where to look. Subscribe for more quiet details.